guys, welcome to my channel. So today I want to do a unboxing video. This is GIA Pixie coat. Teddy coat is really Instagram famous, and I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it all over Instagrams. And yeah, I just want to unbox this for you guys today, especially for those who's considering getting it. And yeah, so I ordered this from the GIA website. I placed the order on Monday and I got my hands onto it today. Today is Wednesday, so it only took it 2 days to arrive to my place, which is really fast, the shipping. I'm really surprised of it. And without further ado, let me unbox this. Alright, so I'm just gonna cut it open. And actually, the color. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and this is the color that I want. I got it in the color caramel and extra small. I really like the colors. I've seen some photos online and it looks really dark, and I'm glad that this is the color that it comes in. Let me open it and try it on. Okay, it is so big, and it comes with a tag. I'm GIA, and this is okay. So it feels pretty soft, and I really like the material. Let's see how it looks like when you put it on. Okay, so let me get my hair out of the way. Oh my god, this is so cute. So this is what it looks like when you put it on. It's really big. It looks like a teddy bear, and I really like it. It feels so warm. And this is what you, let me stand it on the bed so you guys can see the whole view. So yeah, what do you guys think? I think it will go well with a lot of my outfits, and I can definitely see myself wearing it quite a lot in winter. And yeah, so warm. Okay, let me get the hair out of the way so I can zip it up. Okay, so let's zip it up and see. Oh, my hair caught in. Okay, this is not good. Oh my god. Okay, this is what it looks like when you zip it up. Like, I look like a teddy bear now. And yeah, I think I'll wear it more when it's zipped down. So the zipper's a little bit hard to zip down. Okay, it got stuck. Okay, this is not good. It's because sometimes the feathers get caught in the zipper. That's why it's a little bit hard to zip it down. Okay, so, oh my god, this is a little bit hard to zip down. And it gets stuck in here. Oh my god, this is really frustrating. Okay, there we go. And yeah, this is what it looks like when you unzip it. Okay, I can say the zippers is definitely hard to zip up and down. And now, okay, so finally, but yeah, anyway, I don't think that's a problem for me because I will wear it when it is unzipped for most of the times. But yeah, overall, I really like it. What do you guys think? I will definitely get it. I'm thinking whether should I get it in a different color. Like this one also comes in red and black, so I'm thinking of getting it in red as well because I think it looks so cute. Like, this is what it looks like at the back. So this is a size extra small, and it kind of like just covers my butt here. And yeah, really like it. Let me know what you guys think. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. feels so warm.